Hi guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to the story of today. Honestly speaking, I don't understand what is going on. Those housemates got evicted on Sunday, guys. Udon and King Wanda. I thought they're gonna come out and praise the Liema, guys. Oh, King Wanda is regretting the game he played in being in alliance with Liema. He's only realizing now Liema she was playing the game. Yesterday, the same thing Udon said about it. They did not know Uliema she was playing a game. You think Uliema she came for the second time to open a church in that house? Come on, guys. You guys were sitting there talking about the Q strategy, Melee strategy, Bravo B strategy, but you couldn't see Liema's strategy. So you thought Uliema's just being friendly for nothing. They could see Umeli's strategy and Q strategy, but they couldn't see Liema's strategy. You should have asked Uliema, what's your strategy? Even though she was saying that she doesn't have a strategy, you could have started investigating to say, no, there's no way this person can come for the second time in here to play. She really wants the 2 million rand. Uliema has been talking about winning the 2 million rand, and you guys were focusing on Tanya. Guys, it took all the energy you have, you focusing on Thandeka and Melee, forgetting about Liema, guys. King Wanda, he said he feels sorry for Didi and Trace because they're also gonna find out with Liema she's using them. One thing about Liema, guys, and she's very smart. Cannot blame Liema, guys. They thought they were using Liema because Liema, she's famous, she's an artist, she's doing so well, she has a strong base outside. They thought being friends with Liema, people they're gonna vote for them. Unfortunately, it ended in tears for them, guys. They cannot even talk about Liema. You can see what they are shocked what is happening outside. So they don't see Liema as a winner. Hi, come on, guys. What is going on? What type of friends are you? I really cannot believe Ugute, Q, Thandeka, and Liema, they are doing so well outside, guys. So, King Wanda is saying, Ugute, the winner is going to be Thandeka, and then the run-up is going to be Q. So, again, on his interview, he said, Thandeka, she's not a bully. He said he cannot wait to have a conversation with Thandeka outside the house. Maybe they can go for drink and just talk, guys. You never know. Maybe Thandeka, she is a good person. She's not a bully, guys. One thing about this housemate, even though yesterday said Thandeka, she's not a bully. I don't even understand what is going on, guys. You guys are not talking good about Liema, but here you are busy talking about Thandeka. But anyway, guys, it is what it is. What can we say?